What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And yeah, man, I don't want to say we're still beefing with State Farm. And no, it's not over the Petty Roosevelt. It's over the Trax. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And yes, I don't want to make this video right now, but if you guys remember back in July, I got T-boned in the Chevy Trax, which literally had just been completed. If you didn't know, this car, awesome project, getting everything situated, done in it. And I literally had like a, 4 video series for you on this vehicle, on this right here. And, I get nailed. I get hit in the side coming out of Best Buy, picking up a new iPhone. Oh my God, that was such a pain in the ass. But anyways, or was it just AirPods? I don't remember what I was picking up that day. But anyways, so we go in to pick up the stuff, right? We pick up the AirPods or the phone or whatever, and I'm leaving and we get T-boned, right? We film everything. There's a video on it. You can even hear the lady admit fault in English and Chinese. And needless to say, that was July 6th or July 7th, somewhere around there. And it's been 3 months, basically, right? Nothing. I haven't heard a word from State Farm about the vehicle getting fixed. And with the slight bend in the... Is the car drivable? Obviously, right? But with the slight bend in the axle and the beat-up door, the rear quarter section, and I think some of the interior skin, I figured that the vehicle was probably just going to end up getting totaled out, right? I didn't think they were going to actually, so I was actually reaching for these very AirPods. Anyways, so I figured they're going to total the car. I'm not stressing about it, right? Whatever. I don't hear anything. And then out of the blue, I'm like, let me just call and check. It's been 3 months. This is ridiculous, right? We're not pressed about the Trax being fixed or done. It is what it is. It's a get around car or whatever, right? So finally call State Farm, and they were like, yeah, we had you in the system. It shows that you're 100% liable, or you were liable, and we've already fixed and repaired our insured's car. And I was like, oh, well, that's good to know. Why? Damn. I was like, did you see the videos? And they're like, oh, no, we didn't see the videos, da, da, da. So I called my attorney about it, because they won't talk to me now, right? So I called my lawyer. Lawyer's like, nah, we sent them the photos, the videos, all of that, right? Now, magically, all of a sudden, months later, I guess they just figured I'd just go away, or they hoped I would go away. But negative, that is a negative, Ghost Rider. I'm not going anywhere except straight for those pockets, because this is the kind of shit. Now, I get people are going to say, well, the reason why insurance rates goes up is because everybody sues every time I get into an accident. I don't. All right? I don't. I mean, I've been hit, 4 times since I've been in Vegas, rear end accidents, and now T-boned. I don't sue every time. Was I actually stiff and hurt, didn't feel good when I got nailed in the Trax? Yes, I was hurting. And yes, I'm going to the doctor and I'm getting all that stuff resolved and taken care of. But the thing that pisses me off was, you're not doing shit to take care of the car. So now, magically, they're going to do that. Now, could I fix it? Of course I could. I had to do that to get this car situated in the first place. That's the whole video series, right? But I wanted to drop the whole video series on this car over like a 7-day period, a new video every day. And I have 8 videos done on this already. And I wanted to add what happens with the insurance, to that series, so we can close the book on it. And then, this car stays in the fleet, right? But I don't know what's going to happen with it. I'm waiting to find out, is it going to get totaled? Am I am I shipping this thing to IAA and Copart? What is the situation, right? So we'll see what happens. It's now that State Farm has re-evaluated their liability shake my fucking head. You gotta love when you're in the right of way, and it, like, you guys saw the video, right? When you're in the right of way and somebody has a crossway and they just T-bone your car, but you're liable. Alright. So, you know, normally I'm not petty, but y'all already know what it is. Petty Roosevelt's out now. It went from me just fix my car, thank you for taking care of me, to now I'm just, you know, I want to make sure I'm really, really good. I'm going to make sure that my doctors make sure that I have all the necessary treatment, every single massage, everything they feel like I absolutely 100% have to have. Because for me, it's a matter of principle now. It's kind of like, yes, that's a Mustang. It's like you're intentionally fucking with me, so. But anyways, we'll see what happens. I'm probably going to take it to one of their direct repair facilities. You know, this is not like the BMW or something where I need to bring it to like a special shop, right? This can go to a direct repair facility. If they can cut and fix the skin on the door and replace the door panel, you know, the skin on the door, and blend it and make it look good, I'm good. Oh, they got to replace all the plastics on the front too from going on over the curb. But yeah, I mean, the car is definitely repairable. That's the most advantageous way. I mean, it's also low miles. The car only has 69,000 miles on it. For a 2015, that's not a lot of miles. So it could also possibly end up getting totaled. Then they have to cut a check, and then we'll probably just buy it back. But I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Just wanted to give you guys an update, let you guys know what was going on. Stay tuned. And right now, I'm actually washing this thing. I have to wash it right now. Get it all nice and clean. I got to get it all nice and clean so that it's prepared to go to the direct repair facility and they can really see the damages and scratches and all the crap and paint from where it got hit, and not just the dirt. So, but there's your update. That's what's going on with it. Somebody asked, viewer requested video, so there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and maybe when we close out here at the very end, I'll do a quick walk around after we get out of the car wash so you guys can see the damage again. Alright guys, like I said, not ever going to be perfect, but you can see the damage right here, which is pretty extensive to the door, right? All that side skirt stuff. And then you have the little bit of damage in the dinging and dents there. And then the wheel, the axle's a little tilted, which is causing that tire to really get tore up, but